The objective for this video is to learn how to find probabilities associated with a normally distributed variable using the normal distribution table. Using the standard normal distribution, find the probability that a randomly selected standardized value from a normally distributed variable is between 0 and 0.95. This can also be described as finding the area under the normal curve between the mean and 0.95 standard deviations to the right of the mean. The cumulative standard normal distribution table gives us probabilities associated with z-scores. We are looking for the probability associated with the z-score 0.95. So we will find the entry in the table where the row 0.9 intersects with the column 0.05. We find this value to be 0.8289. The graph at the bottom of the table shows that these 4 decimal place values in the body of the table correspond to the area under the curve that extends from the left tail up to the z-score. So this value, 0.8289, would correspond to the area under the curve that extends from the left tail to the z-score 0.95. But our requested probability calls for the area that extends from the mean, or in other words, where the z-score is 0, up to the point where the z-score is 0.95. But since the normal distribution is symmetric about the mean, the area under the normal curve from the left tail up to the mean, where the z-score is 0, is 0.5, or in other words, half of the distribution. That would leave 0.3289 as the area under the curve from the mean, where the z-score is equal to 0, up to that point where the z-score is 0.95. So the area that we are looking for is 0.3289. In probability notation, we would write the probability that z is between 0 and 0.95 is equal to 0.8289 minus 0.5, which is equal to 0.3289. In this video, we learned how to find probabilities associated with a normally distributed variable using the normal distribution table.